Today we'll talk about how can you select currency on your eToro app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it. It's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you just click here on settings, click on it. When you click here on settings, you come to next here. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on general here. You come to this list, then all you have to do now, you just go down here, so you keep going down. You come here to display currency here, just click on this sign. So then here can you select your currency in this list here. So that's all you have to do now. Here can you select it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.